14 years ago, Panerai debuted its first ever Bronzo watch in 2011, the PAM01678. Outfitted with a dark green dial and a 47mm bronze case that, if exposed to the elements, could develop a patina on the initial warm gold-like hue, the Bronzo became a highly sought-after watch, so sought after that the 1,000-piece limited edition commanded a hefty premium on the secondary market, and this premium continues to this day. The original Bronzo was ahead of the trend, bringing bronze to the forefront and introducing the watch community to a case that would develop character and wear over time on the wrist. Since this instant success, multiple Bronzo watches would follow, and today, we look at the newest and perhaps most dapper Bronzo yet, the PAM01678, combining this material with Panerai's iconic Luminor Marina design for the very first time. Whereas the original was 47mm in diameter, this latest Bronzo finds itself in Panerai's highly familiar 44mm size that many fans of the brand, the Paneristi as they're known, adore. Measuring 13.7mm thick and 54.3mm lug to lug, the case will certainly have a bolder presence on the wrist. I don't think most of you watching would find the 13.7mm thickness necessarily too beefy, but certainly the 54.3mm span from the top to the bottom of the case means smaller wrists should try this watch on before buying it. But if you already wear and love 44mm Panerai watches, you will certainly love this new Bronzo on your wrist. As you would expect from Panerai, the PAM01678 Bronzo is a very robust watch, boasting a 500-meter depth rating that is further secured by Panerai's signature crown protecting bridge that requires a lever be lifted before the crown can even be unscrewed. The case is fully brushed, creating a real tool watch sensibility in its look. However, the warmth of the bronze, comprised of pure copper and pure tin, will have an elegant, precious look out of the box. That being said, in due time, a unique patina and character will develop, making each owner's watch one of a kind and truly their own. Some brands have developed bronze alloys that stem or curb patination entirely. Panerai, however, is not shying away from the distinct character bronze can achieve, allowing it to be a feature rather than a symptom of the material. Do you like when bronze cases are fully allowed to age and develop character? Let me know in the comments. The bronze case is paired with a matte blue dial, which again creates this balance between a sense of an elegant watch and a professional tool watch. The rich smoky blue would certainly suit a dressy timepiece, yet the matte finish ensures it is not too reflective and can still serve as a tool watch as well. Beige superluminova peers out through the sandwich construction of the dial, and in its sandwich construction, which requires a full disc of beige superluminova to rest beneath the dial, you will notice a stronger, brighter emission in darkness, maximizing legibility in a manner befitting of a professional diver's watch. Taking inspiration from its 60s models, the new Bronzo omits a calendar complication at the 3 o'clock position. This makes the dial feel very clean and pure, with simply the hours and minutes hands at the center and a small running seconds register at the 9 o'clock position. The signature Luminor Marina branding at the 12 o'clock position, Panerai branding at the 6 o'clock position, and even the Swiss L text beneath are all executed in a beige hue that perfectly matches the superluminova and pairs excellently with the hue of the bronze case. Sure, the case will age over time, but if anything, the cohesion is not lost, as the darkening of the case will, in some respects or instances, match the smokiness of the dial. It all feels very well thought through, and certainly Panerai has had ample experience and success with Bronzo designs, a natural fit for a brand with such a rich maritime heritage. The watch is sold on a dial-matching calf leather strap, which may seem counterintuitive considering leather and water do not mix very well. However, also included is a dial-matching rubber strap. This ensures you have an aquatic, adventure-ready strap option out of the box as well, but the PAM01678 does not utilize Panerai's PAM click release system, and therefore, you will have to swap between the strap the good old-fashioned way. Inside, exhibited beneath the hypoallergenic titanium exhibition caseback, is the new P980 caliber, a 3-day weekend-proof automatic movement that was designed to allow for better case proportions and optimal robustness. The balance is secured by a full balance bridge to better resist against shock, and the caliber is adjusted in 6 positions to ensure the utmost accuracy. To be clear, I'm not modeling the watch in this video, but on my 6.5 or so inch wrist, the 54.3mm lug-to-lug span is probably a bit too much for me. That being said, for the many, many watch wearers around the world who have long enjoyed Panerai's larger sized watches, I suspect many will be working out how to have this watch on their wrist by the time the holidays come around. Its smoky blue dial is handsome and dapper, and like I said, will continue to pair well with the case even as it ages. The beige and bronze mix very well, and the overall aesthetic exudes both the Italian elegance and strong tool watch robustness the brand has built its name on. Overall, I think the PAM01678 is yet another strong entry in the pantheon of Bronzo, but let me know your thoughts in the comments below. Yes, its price is quite high at $17,500 US, but as we all know, Bronzos are highly sought after, so perhaps Panerai is rightfully getting ahead of the curve on this one. The new Panerai Luminor Marina Bronzo PAM01678 is available now for purchase exclusively via Panerai boutiques and authorized retailers and is priced at $17,500 US. Thanks for watching, and be sure to subscribe to the Time+Tide channel for all the latest watch news, reviews, and content. And as always, I'll see you on the next one.